What is personal finance? Imagine this for a second. Your salary comes in. You feel rich for exactly 3 days. Then suddenly, your bank balance looks like it's playing hide and seek. Rent is gone. Food money vanished. And somehow, you're checking your wallet like, bro, we just met last week. If that feels familiar, congratulations, you've already met personal finance, even if you didn't know its name. So today, let's talk about it. What personal finance actually is, why it quietly controls your life, and how understanding it can save you from that end-of-the-month panic. Let's keep it simple. No boring textbook stuff, no big scary words. Just real life. Personal finance is basically how you handle your own money. That's it. Not Wall Street. Not millionaires in suits. Not people yelling about stocks on TV. It's you and your money. How you earn it, how you spend it, how you save it, how you protect it, and how you grow it. Personal finance decides whether your money works for you or disappears faster than free snacks at an office meeting. Think about your money like water in a bucket. Money comes in. That's your income. Salary, business, freelance, side hustle, whatever. Money goes out. That's your expenses. Rent, food, bills, subscriptions you forgot to cancel, and that one online order you definitely needed. If the water leaks faster than it comes in, the bucket stays empty. That leak? That's poor money management. Personal finance is simply learning how to plug that leaks. Break it down into real-life pieces. First, earning money. This is your job, business, or any way cash enters your life. Most people stop here. They think, if I earn more, all my problems are solved. Spoiler alert, they're not. Because no matter how much you earn, if you don't know what to do after you get paid, money will still vanish. Which brings us to the second part, spending money. This is where most people fail. We don't plan to overspend. It just happens. Coffee here, food delivery there, a small purchase that somehow costs a lot. Individually, they look harmless. Together, they team up and destroy your budget like villains in a movie. Personal finance teaches you how to spend on purpose, not by accident. Next comes saving money. Saving isn't about being boring or never enjoying life. It's about future you. Saving is you saying, hey future me, I've got your back. Emergency savings mean your life doesn't fall apart when your phone breaks, your bike needs repair, or life throws a surprise punch. Without savings, every small problem becomes a big stress. Then there's debt. Credit cards, loans, EMIs. Debt isn't always evil. But unmanaged debt? That's like inviting a guest who eats your food, sleeps on your couch, and never leaves. Personal finance helps you understand when debt makes sense and when it's slowly stealing your freedom. And finally, growing your money. This is where investing comes in. No, investing doesn't mean gambling. It means putting your money to work so you don't have to work forever. Money sitting idle loses value over time. Money invested wisely can grow quietly in the background, like a loyal employee who never complains. Personal finance is knowing where to put your money and why. Here's the funny part. Schools teach us math. They teach us history. They teach us how plants make food. But nobody teaches us how to manage the money we spend every single day. So most people learn personal finance the hard way, through stress, mistakes, and regret. But it doesn't have to be that way. Personal finance isn't about being rich overnight. It's about being in control, knowing where your money goes, not feeling scared to check your bank balance, not living paycheck to paycheck, even with a good income. It's the difference between money controlling your mood and you controlling your money. If money has ever made you anxious, if you've ever wondered where it all went, if you've ever promised yourself, next month I'll do better, then personal finance is not optional. It's essential. Because at the end of the day, money touches almost every part of your life. Your choices, your freedom, your peace of mind. And learning personal finance isn't about becoming perfect, it's about becoming aware. Once you're aware, everything starts to change. And that is where the real journey begins.